Chinese official state-run press agency Xinhua News reported that in the past 5 years, 4 new airports were built in Yarkand County, Takluk County, Kiria County, and Tomshuk City in East Turkestan, and another 4 existing airports in northern and southern East Turkestan were renovated and expanded. These airports facilitated the intensified transferring of Han Chinese settlers into East Turkestan. Millions of Han Chinese poured into East Turkestan and occupied Uyghur-owned farm fields, houses, and apartments. They were settled in every town and city, while Uyghurs were removed from their homes, locked up in either concentration camps or forced labor camps. In the video shown, Chinese settlers are inviting other Han Chinese to settle into East Turkestan by highlighting the Chinese government's benefits package to the new settlers, including free land, free housing, and job opportunities.
落户新疆种地有什么好处呢？有节假日补助，有探亲补助，有养老金等。关注我，带大家了解更多迁户小常识。
Women are the most vulnerable victims in Chinese concentration camps. Eyewitness, camp guard, and the survivor testimonies published by the BBC this week are horrifying. Uyghur Muslim women are continuously suffering systematic mass rape, torture, and sterilization in the concentration camps. Yet many Muslim countries still have friendly business as usual policies with China. Strong supporters of China include Saudi Arabia, Pakistan, and Palestine. Despite the ongoing genocide in East Turkestan, Palestinian President's Foreign Affairs Advisor Majidi Khalidi stated on this Wednesday that Palestine firmly opposes other states' interference in China's internal affairs on Uyghur-related issues. According to Globe and Mail, one of the Canadian Olympic Committee's most prominent board members said Canada should resist calls to boycott the 2022 Beijing Olympics over allegations of genocide in China or the imprisonment of Michael Korig and Michael Spavor. They believe the Olympic and the Paralympic movements are a unique means for the promotion of peace and development. Uyghur Canadians believe that it is undermining the peace.
If Olympics' unique means is to promote peace and development, could those athletes protest China's commitments destroying the peace in East Turkestan and the peace of more than 20 million Uyghurs and other Turkic Muslims? Could they do that? Could those athletes refuse to receive a medal if they won, to protest against China's crime against humanity and the genocide? Athletes represent their country's value. They are the symbol of the pride of their nation. Participating in the Olympics hosted in a country like China with ongoing genocide is not something that makes Canadians feel proud. I don't think so. It can't make us feel inspired. Instead, it makes us feel shame, as it should.